Good morning, Primary 5. In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between two sets. This is symbolized as x minus y. X minus y means the set of elements that belong to x and doesn't belong to the set y. So it's belong to the first set and doesn't belong to the second set, which is y. What about y difference x or y minus x? It means the element in the first, which is y, the elements in y, and doesn't belong to the elements in x. Let's start and take an example. The first example is if x contains 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and y contains 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, then can you find x difference y? X difference y means what is the element in x and not belong to y. As you see, 2 in x and doesn't belong to y. And also we have another number, which is what? Which is 5. 5 in x and doesn't belong to y. So open braces and write 2 and 5. Okay, if you have the same sets x and y and you need to find y minus x, so we start with y minus x. So what is the element in y and not belong to x? The element in y and not belong to x are 0, 3, and 6. So open braces and write all of these elements. In the second question, we have a Venn diagram represent the two sets A and B. Okay, if you need to find A difference B, so what is the element in A and not belong to B? If you hide the set B, you will find two elements are 2 and 1. Okay, if we want to find A difference B, we will hide B to find the left elements, which is 2 and B. And the green area represent A difference B. The second question is B difference A. B difference A means hide A. If you hide A, you will hide all the element of A, which is 1, 2, and 3. So the left elements are 7 and 5. Okay, and the green area is represent B difference A. Now, look at the opposite Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, you have three sets, the universal set, the set x, and the set y. In first question, you need to find x intersect y. X intersect y means the common elements between x and y, which is 3 and 4. What about x union y? X union y means all the elements in x and y. So, open braces and write all the elements in x and y, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we need to find x difference y. X difference y means hide all the circle of y. Hide all the elements of y. Okay, the left elements are 1 and 2. And don't forget, x difference y means what is the element in x and not belong to y. What about y difference x? Y difference x means what is the element in y and not belong to x. Or you can hide all the element of x, all the circle of x. If you hide all the circle of x, you will have only 5. Open braces and write 5. Can you find the complement of y minus x? To solve this question, you need to write all the elements of complement y first, and then find all the element of x. Complement y means the element in u and not belong to y, which is 1, 2, 6, 7. And x means all the element in set x, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then find the difference between the two sets. You will find 6 and 7. In the last question, we have a Venn diagram which represents three sets x, y, and z. First of all, we need to write all the elements in the set x, all the elements in set y, and all the elements in set z by using listing method. Then you can solve the question, which is x difference y. X difference y means the element in x and not belong to y. What is the element in x and doesn't belong to y? Which is E and F. Now it's your turn. Try to solve the next questions and check the answers.